Guys, in this video we're going to be learning how to multiply number bases. You understand? So, and we have some set of examples. So we have about 7 questions to be solved. So as I normally do, as usual, so we have to solve number one, um, number three, let's see, number five. So I'll be solving these three. Then the rest will be solved by the audience, and the answers will be dropped afterwards. Do you understand? So now let's start. So 435 times 516. So now if you are to multiply these two different bases, step number one is equalize the bases. You understand? That is, make the bases to be the same. You understand? So as usual, as usually done in number bases, convert first both of the number bases to base 10. So once you have converted them to base 10, you will now multiply them in base 10. So your final answer will now be left in base 3, because the statement says all answers should be left in base 3. So we need to follow instructions too, because they are what guides us in solving mathematics problems. So now 435. If I want to convert 435 and 43 base 5 to base 10, that will be 0 1. That will be 4 times 5 plus 3 times 5 as 0 1. So that will be 5 to the power of 1 is 5 times 4, 20, plus 5 to the power of 0, which is anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, that's times 3, that's 3. So everything is 23. So now 51, let's convert 51 base 6 to base 10. That will be 5 times 6. Let's not forget 0 1. 5 times, let me space it. 5, 51 base 6. So 0 1. 5 times 6 is base 6 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 6 to the power of 0. So 5 raised to the power of 1, 6 raised to the power of 1 is 6 times 5, that's 30, plus 6 to the power of 0, that's 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Final answer is 31 base 10. So we have been able to convert both base 5, 43 base 5, and 51 base 6 to base 10. So this is the answer in base 10, and this is the answer in base 10. So the next step we're going to take is to multiply them in base 10. So to do multiplication in base 10, it's just like doing your normal multiplication in mathematics. So if I want to multiply this, 23 times 31 is going to give 713 base 10. So we are going to convert this base 10 to a singular base, which is what? Base 3, because the question said we should leave our answers in base 3. So we'll draw our line, then 713 and remainder here, then put our base 3 here. So we'll start 713 divided by 3 would give 237, 237, remainder 2. Then we divide again by 3. 237 divided by 3 will give us 79, remainder 0. So 3 again. 79 divided by 3 would give us 26, remainder 2. So 26 divided by 3 again will give us 8, remainder 2. So 8 again divided by 3, we are going to have 2, remainder 2. So then 3 again, 2 divided by 3 again, we're going to have 0, remainder 2. So you move it from the bottom to the top. So our final answer is going to be 2, 2, 2. How many to 1, 2, 3, 4? 4. Then 0, 2 base 3. This is our final answer. In this video, we're going to be learning doing the second example. So the second example is 516 base 7 times 33 3 base 4. So now let's convert 516 base 7 to base 10. 0 1 2 5 times 7 plus 1 times 7 plus 6 times 7 0 1 2. So I just went ahead to doing the straight line, adding the power afterwards. So 5 to the power of 7 to the power of 2 is 49. So that's 5 times 49 plus 7 times 1, that's 7. Then 3 to the power 0 is 1, that's 6. So this is going to give us 4, 20, 24. So this is going to be 245 plus 13. So that will be 8, 5, and 2 base 10. So this is the value in base 10. 516 base 7 to base 10 will give us this. Now 334, when you convert 334 to base 10, we have 0 1. This is going to be 3 times 4 plus 3 times 4, 0 1. Let's not forget that. So 4 to the power of 1 is 4 times 3, 12 plus 4 to the power of 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times 3 is 3. Final answer is 15 base 10. So we'll now come to the conclusion that 258 is 10 times 15 is going to give us, because normally if you multiply it in a normal term, 258 base 10 times 15, 258 times 15 is going to give us 3,870 base 10. So this value that we got here is what we will now convert to base 3. So do you understand? Is what we convert to base. Now we want to learn how, we want to continue from where we stopped. So we are going to be dividing 3,870 by 3. 3,870 divided by 3 is going to give us 1,290 without any remainder, that's remainder 0. So 1,290 divided by 3 again is going to give us 430 remainder 0. So 430 divided by 3 is going to give us 143. So 143 remainder 1. So we do divide the 143 again by 3, and we're going to have 47 remainder 2. So, and you also divide the 47 by 3 again, it's going to give us 15 remainder 2. So you divide again by 3, that will be 5 remainder 0. If you divide by 3 again, that will be 1 remainder 2. If you divide by 3 again, that will be 0 remainder 1. So therefore your final answer would be from the bottom to the top, that will be 1202210 base 3. So this will be your final answer for question number 3. Do you understand? So that's how to do the conversion. So now 721 is 8. We want to convert 721 is 8 to base 10 first. 0 1 2, then that will be 7 times 8 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 8 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 8 to the power of 0. So that will be 7 times 8 raised to the power of 2 is 64 plus 2 times 8 plus 1 times 1, which is 64 times 7 is going to give 448 plus 16 plus 1. So 448 plus 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 17, that will be 465 base 10. So we're going to convert 310 base 4 to base 10 also. That will be 0 1 2, that will be 3 times 4 power of 2 plus 1 times 4 raised to the power of 1, then plus 0 times 4 raised to the power of 0. So 4 to the power of 2 is 16. 16 times 3, that's 48. Plus this will give 4 to the power of 1, that's 4 times 1, that's 4. Plus 4 to the power of 0, that's 1. Everything gives 0. So 48 plus 4 is going to give 52 base 10. So what we're going to do next is multiply the base 10 for the first value, which is this 465 base 10, and the base 10 for the second value, which is 52 base 10. So that will be 465 times 52, which is going to be, let's not forget our base 10, so times 52, which is going to be 24180 base 10. So we're going to convert this value to base 3. Do you understand? So now we're going to be converting the value we got from our final answer to base 3. So 24180 divided by 8, and by 3 I mean, is going to give us 8006 remainder 0 by 8 again, and by 3 I mean, is going to give us 2686 remainder 2, then by 3 again, 2686 divided by 3 is going to give 895. So 895 remainder 1. So 895 divided by 895 divided by 3 again is going to give 298. So 298 remainder 1. So divide by 3 again. 298 divided by 3 is going to give us 99 remainder 1. So 99 divided by 3 again is going to give 33 remainder 0, and 3 again 11 remainder 0, and 3 again is going to give 3 remainder 2, 3 again 1 remainder 0, and 3 again 0 remainder 1. So you take it from the bottom right up. So the final answer will be 102000111 and 20 base 3. So your final answer will be 102001120 base 3. So that's how to convert from other bases, or that's how to multiply bases with each other, especially when the bases are not of the same value. Do you understand? So this is how to do them. So in our next video, we're going to be learning how to solve miscellaneous work or problems on number basis, anyone under it. Do you understand, guys? So please do not forget, like, share and subscribe, so as for you to not miss out on any updates of new topics that is to be shared on the Ebullient Tutorial channel. And you will not only see maths there, you will also get to see sciences there too. As time goes on, you will see some sciences there. All kinds of science subjects will be posted and will be uploaded on the channel. So stay tuned, guys, and see you.